Psychotherapy is such an amazingly difficult job. It's a job that we all have felt called to do. It's a job that we all really want to do well to impact our clients' lives so they can get on with life in a way where their symptoms and diagnosis and problems and situation is no longer impacting their lives negatively. But it's hard for us as clinicians to know how to do that. And one of the things that I've realized that you can use solution-focused brief therapy to tap into the inner hero of your client, like the superhero that resides within all of us, and utilize that superhero to change your client's life. Now, it's hard to do, it's really hard work, but once you figure out how to do it, it just completely transforms the life of your client and your life as well. So I'm doing a free webinar coming up about solution-focused brief therapy and how to have a heroic conversation with your clients, regardless of what problem brought them into your office, and how to use that inner hero to solve their life. All you have to do is click on the Join Now button and sign up for this webinar. It's completely free. I'm doing it multiple times to fit the different time zones. And trust me, this is an opportunity to change your life and the life of your clients. You don't want to miss it. Sign up now and join me on this webinar.